Hi, little ones. Let's go on a fun adventure with pets. Pets are animals that people keep at home to love and take care of. Pets are our friends, and they make us happy. We feed them, we give them water, we play with them, we take them on walks, but most importantly, we keep them safe. So, little ones, let's meet our pets. As I say them, you repeat after me. Ready? Dog. Dog. Cat. Cat. Fish. Fish. Hamster. Hamster. Bird. Bird. Rabbit. Rabbit. Turtle. Turtle. Now let's play our game. Ready for our game, little ones? Good. Now look, there's a gray spot in the middle. I wonder which animal goes there. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're right. It's the fish. Next, look again at the new gray spot. It's a different shape. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You are awesome. It's the cat. Another one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's the bird. Good job. Next is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hamster. Wow, you're killing this. Next, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rabbit. Wow, you're so good. Next, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turtle. Wow. Next, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dog. Oh my goodness, you were so good today. And thanks for joining me. I will see you in our next lesson. Okay? Bye.